We are trail walking, right, Tiny? When we get to the other part of the trail, we're going to put your leash on. Because I don't want you guys getting hurt or wandering off somewhere that we shouldn't be going. Look, guys, look at the pond. I think I've seen some ducks in the pond, Uno. Uno, there's ducks in the pond. I heard other dogs barking. Follow the trail, Uno. Okay, so let's see. We're at the water's edge. I thought we saw some ducks. Right, guys? Tiny, don't go too close. Hey, hey, hey! Do not go too close. You see that right there? Can you swim? Huh? Can you swim? I can swim, but I'm not going in there for you, so I don't want you close. Okay, we were only looking for the ducks. Oh, look, there they are. They mesh in with the, yeah, there they go. Duckies! I know where the duckies! Alright, come on. Alright, guys, come on, let's keep going. Oh, no. Go. I love seeing it on a Chucky butt. Slow down, guys. Wait for me. We have a little creek or inlet. Let's see, guys, since it melted. Come on. Let's go down here. Let's go closer. Come on. Come, let's go look closer. We always said when it got... Yo, can you leave that alone? Oh, no. Stop. Hey. Stop. Come on. Come on. Not every piece of stick is... Come on. We're trying to go to the edge. Hey, not too close to the edge, Missy. Alright. Alright, let's make our way back up the trail. Come on.